start, God creates the earth. And at the beginning there was the word, and for words you need an opening, a mouth, vibration, frequencies, okay? Everything comes out of the center, out of the north, right? As above, so below, okay? Like this guy showed this. NASA's telling you this creation of the universe, okay? But it's the same. Everything comes out of the creation hole, or the black hole. Now what is this? This is a planetary gear here at the top. I'm putting this down a little bit and make this a little bit bigger. This is how the star patterns are working at the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, okay? This is the center, this is the northern hemisphere, and this here, everywhere else, is the southern hemisphere. And here, the gap between those two is where the Orion belt is visible. Okay? So you got the northern hemisphere, one rotation to one direction, and the southern hemisphere, everywhere else, you got an anti-rotation to the other rotation, okay? This is because everything inside here is just like a spiral, a vortex of creation like this here. Everything inside here, this vortex, is 3D, but it is projected like a plasma television to the top as a two-dimensional plate. Okay, so everything, the planets, are telling you, wandering stars, doesn't matter. Everything what you are seeing at the sky is created inside this vortex, but it is projected as a two-dimensional plate above. And this plate is parabolic, mirrored, and flipped upside down everywhere else to the south. Okay? Like here. Everywhere else, this here, is mirrored and parabolic, reflected to the south, okay? So Polaris in the center is Sigma Octantis, everywhere else in the south. And the same star patterns are visible here in the south, but stretched, flipped upside down, and you're looking here from the top to the bottom, and here from the bottom to the top. Flipped upside down, so you won't see the exact same patterns here and here. This is a vision from the side, If you would cut everything right through this here, this is from the side. I didn't paint it the bottom side, Summerland. Doesn't matter, so you can see this here. This is the center, the north. Here is the plane. And this here is electromagnetic, like a donut. This here. This is it. Okay, so here you got the north, the center. This is a Capricorn, this is a Cancer. And here everywhere else is the south. And here, this is the vortex of creation, spiraling out like a snake. That's why, where you can see this here, right? Here. Snake. The snake's tongue, because it is spiraling out like a snake. That's the snake. The sun sits at the horizon, it's spiraling out, and this looks like a snake. Snake's tongue, now I understand why there are so many snakes. This is another vision, but you don't got that in the middle, the hole you don't got. But this is how this is work. The sun. And the sun is moving between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It's spiraling like a snake. Everything comes out from the inside, from the north, from the center. And the center is the most important thing. Everything. So I hope you can understand this a little bit better. Everything is created out of frequency. Everything is inside this vortex of creation, but it is projected as a two-dimensional plate above here. This is just a plate. It's just a universal plate. what you're seeing above. If you're looking, take a telescope, and you're looking here at the stars above our heads. And you're zooming in, just looking what's going on inside this here. Okay? So if you're looking here or here, you just take a look what's going to happen inside this vortex of creation. This is 3D, this is 2D.